you have an HP Design Tech rental contract with Midcomp Azero, we handle everything. You get one monthly invoice and you don't need to worry about quotations or pricing, as everything you need is included. Each client has unique requirements, and for this reason having a rental contract that is catered for you is a tremendous asset. Renting equipment ensures that our clients improve their cash flow, because they aren't required to make any capital purchases or other associated expenditures. In addition to this, clients also have more cash flow by avoiding repair and maintenance costs. The biggest benefit of a Midcomp Azero rental contract is the fact that we make life so much easier for our clients. With just a phone call, your stock or technical assistance is immediately arranged.